This is the code for the flame sensor, and we can see that it's showing no flame currently, and also the Uno board is its LED is off, which is telling us that there is no flame present currently. And now we're going to apply flame and see the output of the flame sensor. I've applied flame, and the LED is glowing, and also you can see from the serial monitor that it's showing flame. And I've turned it off, and it's no flame again, and the LED is off as well. This is the code for our gas sensor, and now as you can see, we're taking the output as the LED output from the Arduino Uno board, and currently it's off. When smoke comes in from the sensor, the LED of the Uno board will glow when it exceeds the threshold value of 150. Right now it's 68, as we can see from the serial monitor. LED is glowing, so that means it exceeds the threshold value. It's still glowing, and now it's off since the smoke is gone and it's below our threshold. Hello everyone, this is our DSD project. We are group 1 and our project's name is Smart Fire Alarm with Source Locator. So this is the code for our project, and we have used the GSM shield code and also the sensor codes together. And right now we are going to turn on the GSM shield to start the GSM network. As the light is blinking, after 1 second it is showing us that the GSM network is working, and now we're going to see if the flame sensor is working one by one. And also the source locator part that we are going to use in our project, that will show us the source of the fire, such as if it is in box A, the SMS will show if it is in box A. For box B, the SMS will show that the source is in box B. We have covered up the flame sensors because they're very sensitive to light, and we will open them when we're testing either one of them. So let's test. So we're going to start light a match because they can detect it, and we're going to open the COM sensor. As you can see, it shows that flame in A. That means we lighted up this one, which is in box A, so our SMS show that it's in box A. Now we're going to test for box B. We're going to cover this up so that we do not get any readings from this one. Now in box B, and all the other sensors are giving us no values. Now it is showing us that it's in box B. Now we're going to test the rest of the sensors. We're going to test the LM35 in box B. Check the temperature. Now we're going to test the sound sensor in box A. Now we are going to test the smoke sensor in box A.